Fearless is the premier social platform for Gen Z to build their own multidimensional digital profiles that showcase their unique personalities, accomplishments, and aspirations. Fearless not only represents information that is traditionally on a resume, like a person's education, work, and volunteer experience, but also lets you hear directly from the person through a short TikTok-style video, giving you a sense of their individual personality and soft skills.
When I grow up, I want to financially support myself while traveling the world,
in addition to seeing projects and initiatives they've worked on in the past. Traditional resumes rarely tell the whole story of a person, and too often leave prospective employers and college admissions wanting more insight into a candidate, leaving them to scour through social media as part of their evaluation process. With our Fearless platform, we're reinventing a way a young person can tell their whole story, helping them to secure the future that they desire. Fearless. It's TikTok meets LinkedIn for the next generation.